In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member in monday.com. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open monday.com in your web browser and log into your account. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has permission to invite new users, usually an admin or someone with similar access. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main workspace or dashboard. Now, to invite a new team member, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon that looks like a little person with a plus sign next to it. This is the invite icon. If you don't see it there, no problem. You can also go to the bottom left sidebar and look for the users or admin area, which usually has an icon related to people or account settings. Either of these options will take you to the place where you can add someone new to your account. Once you've clicked into the invite area, you'll see a text field where you can type in the email address of the person you want to add. Go ahead and enter their work email address carefully. It's important that this is correct because monday.com will send the invitation directly to that email. If you're adding several people, many accounts also allow you to paste multiple emails separated by commas or spaces. But for now, we'll focus on adding one team member at a time so it's clear. After entering the email address, you'll need to choose the user type. Typically, you'll see options like member or viewer. A member is someone who can actively work on boards. They can edit items, update statuses, and collaborate with the rest of the team. A viewer, on the other hand, usually has read-only access. They can see what's going on, but they can't make changes. Think about how much control or responsibility this person needs. If they're going to be managing tasks or projects, choose member. If they only need visibility, choose viewer. Once you've selected the appropriate user type, you're ready to send the invitation. Click the invite button. monday.com will then send an invite email to the address you entered. The person you invited just needs to open that email, follow the link, and set up their account or join your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully added a team member in monday.com, and they'll be able to start collaborating with you as soon as they accept the invitation.